welcome back to Dance Mama Dance, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jen and I post videos on cleaning motivation and all things mom related. Today I'm going to be doing a total house clean with me. My mother-in-law is coming over to spend the day with my son and I tomorrow, and I just want to make sure everything's nice and picked up for her. I'm also going to be doing a really quick shop with me at Home Depot. We just need a couple more things to paint our living room. And I'm also kind of curious, it's almost the end of July now, and I want to see if they have any great deals on their perennials. If you are new, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and make sure you are following me on Instagram at DanceMamaDance. Hi everyone! I just got to Home Depot and I actually started out in the garden section. I wanted to see what they had left for perennials on clearance, and I did actually find a couple, and I'm really excited. This has been a nice way, a budget-friendly way that our family has been able to expand our landscaping, and I just find that I plant these this year and then next year they look beautiful. That's going to be it for this video, everyone. I am just wrapping up a couple things and I'm going to end it here. I want to thank you so much for watching and for giving me so much support for my channel. I've been overwhelmed with how many people have commented or sent me messages, and it's just really nice to feel like I'm making a small impact on someone's life by giving them just a little bit of motivation if they were struggling that day. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you are new, and I will see you all in the next one.